Hi, it's Peter Carney from my food garden, showing you some crops in our vegetable garden. It's now spring. Zucchinis here, peas down there fruiting beautifully, some basil here that's seeding, cucumbers coming up down there, silver beet and chard here, fennel, kale, great diversity of beautiful flowers in this bed here. Strawberries down here, we've been picking these delicious red strawberries in here for months now, and here you can see the happy bees on these brassicas going to flower and seed. We always save seeds at this time of the year. Over there the tall white flowers are corianders, and we have a lot of those in the garden. And here's some more zucchinis down here with nasturtiums nasturtiums that grow like crazy in this garden. Here's carrots and onions and leeks down here with orange calendula flowers that have been going for months and months now. Sweet potatoes at the bottom. So we have 16 of these 7.5 metre beds in this garden. It's very, very productive. We have a workshop in this garden on November the 18th and 19th, a biodynamic gardening workshop, and I run 12-month coaching package. Go to myfoodgarden.com.au for more information. Thank you.